In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave Asana project. If you've wrapped up your work or simply don't need to track a project anymore, leaving it helps reduce clutter and keeps your notifications focused on what matters. I'll walk you through a clean, simple way to remove yourself without affecting the rest of your team's setup. First, open the project you want to leave. Make sure you're looking at the correct project workspace so you don't step away from something you still need. Once the project is open, take a quick glance to confirm it's the one whose tasks and updates you no longer need to follow. Next, look to the top right corner of the project view and click the Share button. This is the control that manages who has access to the project. It may appear as a button labeled Share, often with an icon indicating members or visibility. Clicking it opens a panel or window showing the list of people who currently have access. Inside that Share panel, find your name in the list of project members. Depending on the size of the project, there may be many people there, so scroll carefully. If you see a search field within the sharing panel, you can use it to quickly filter the list and locate your profile. The key is to make sure you're selecting your own entry, not a teammate's. When you've found your name, look for the small drop-down arrow or menu icon next to it. Click that drop-down and choose Remove. This action removes you from the project's member list. Once you do this, you'll stop receiving updates and notifications from that project, and it will no longer appear in your active project list. Your removal doesn't delete the project or change other members' access, it simply detaches your account from it. Any tasks you previously contributed to remain in the project history for your teammates to reference. If you ever need to return to the project later, you can ask a project owner or a teammate with the right permissions to add you back. Before leaving, it's also smart to make sure any work you are handling is clearly documented or reassigned, so teammates aren't left waiting on you. That's all it takes. Open the project, click Share, find your name, and select Remove. It's quick, tidy, and helps keep your workspace focused. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this section while you follow along so you can leave projects confidently whenever your work there is complete.